Let's look at users in my profile. So if I just scroll down, if I click on the user's name, it shows me all of the details about their profile. So on the right I can see when they've last logged in, where they've logged in from using their IP address, and that records the last 25 logins with the most recent at the top. On the left hand side I can view all of the orders that were placed by this person. So if you have a sales team and you want to monitor the orders that are placed by individual people, you can click on that and you can actually select dates from and to dates so that you can build and view statistics based between those dates. We've got the login details here, so the email address and the access level and the access status. So at the moment this is live. If I want to close access for this person so they won't be able to log into Genius, I can mark it as paused or closed, and that's instant. So as soon as I do that, that limits their access. Got their company details here, and we also have user access. So in user access, I can choose exactly what this user can do and what they can see. So if I check read only, that means this user can view everything within Genius, but they can't add any new information and they can't edit any existing information. So if I want to check that, just click Save Changes, that will apply. If I don't want this person to see profit and loss, I can uncheck the box, Save Changes, and the person won't be able to see profit and loss. And it's the same for all of the checkboxes. So if this person doesn't need to see invoices, or if I don't want them to export data, just uncheck the boxes, click Save Changes, and that applies straight away.